Oh, Lewis's new perches came in. Oh my goodness. What do we got in here, Lewis? She's like, I'm down here. You hiding on me? I can't see ya. Yeah, there you are. We got her new perch over by her 2 water dishes. She's got a water bottle and a water dish. That dish catches the water out of the bottle. That perch over there is a grooming perch. It's got like sandpaper on the bottom but not the top. These are all ergonomic, specifically made for African greys to help with her feet. Got a really long one over here and a shorter one by her food. That's her heated perch up there. And then I got a platform one up there. That's a lot of perches. Yep, we replaced everything that was in there. Except for her favorite bell. She likes that. That's been her bell forever. What do you think, Lois? You gonna try out your new perches? Huh? Looks nice and clean in there. Yep. Those are Parrot Wizard perches. Yeah. She's started getting a little bit of a sore on the bottom of her foot. So we've been doing some special soaking and replacing all the perches. Never had these nice of ones. And getting rid of all the ones that sandpaper ones. So these ones are all wood, soft woods and hardwoods. Yep. We got her on her first perch. Yep. The one by the heater. She's testing it out. Good stuff. We got her on her second perch. She's going back over to the first one. Hey, that's a start. You gonna come over and get it? Come on, you gotta come over here. I want you to try the platform. Come on. You can do it. Where are you going? Look, we'll put it right here. There you go. Where are you going? It's like I'm trying to figure it out. Where are you going? Lewis? Is your brain thinking? She's like, come on. You can figure it out. It's right up here. Come on. Want another one? There you go. She's on her third perch. She's like, no, I'm not. I'm getting off of that one. I'm going to go back over to this one over here. We got to get you on your fourth perch here. Come on. You got to come up here. Come on. Come on. Come on. There you go. you go. Fourth perch. That's a good job. That wasn't so bad. You gonna come up here for it? Come on. You gotta come up here for it. There you go. Get up there. Oh, there you go. You did it. That deserves that peanut. Yeah. You made it up on the warming perch. You didn't want that peanut? All that way for that icky peanut? You want your next peanut? You gotta come up here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Now come over here. Come on. Oops. Dropped it. Come on. We're going to leave it right there on the perch. She's got all these fancy perches, and she's on the ground. See how you are? She's like, yep.